welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. And today we're going to draw some eggs in a basket for Easter, and because it's 4 more days until Easter, and I'm so excited for it. And thanks for joining us in Hey Kids Let's Draw. And we're going to get our black marker, and then we're going to set it right here, and then we're going to do a straight long line, then do that, that, do a giant X, then a line in the middle. And we're going to do this line, and a rainbow, then that, and another line over. And then going to write that. And the oval, then and then circles, and then that, and then a little thing for the tongue. And then and freckles, then that, then this one, then that, then that, then you're doing that. And one more right here. And then a line right there for the ground. And it's gonna be standing on a rock. And then there's another rock right there. And look, I'm gonna do this. And then some flowers, because in Easter it's spring and there's tons of flowers peeking up. And that. Do that. And then I'm gonna do beautiful sun. And I'm gonna save the yellow for when gonna do that. Oh, sorry. And I'm gonna do that.